Today we will learn nutrition in living organisms. Nutrition. Some life process go on continuously in living organisms. Substances which are digested and assimilated for obtaining energy and for the growth and health of our body are called foodstuffs. We get several types of nutrients from foodstuffs. Nutrients can be classified into two types, namely macronutrients and micronutrients. Nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, and fats are required in large quantities. These are macronutrients. Minerals and vitamins are required in very small quantity. They are called micronutrients. The process of taking in and using food which takes place in living organism is called nutrition. Need for nutrition. To supply the energy required for doing work. Growth and development of the body. To replace the damaged cells and repair tissues. To fight diseases. Autotrophic nutrition. Some organisms can produce their own food and thus nourish themselves. This is called autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Some organisms depend on other organisms, plants or animals for their food. This is called heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic plants. Plants also need food for their growth. They can produce their own food with the help of sunlight and chlorophyll. Plants make their food in their leaves using water and nutrients from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. This process is called as photosynthesis. Plant convert light energy into chemical energy and store it in the form of food. Water, minerals, and salts are absorbed by roots from the soil. The stem transport them up to the leaves. The leaves have microscopic openings called stomata through which they take in the carbon dioxide from the air. The chloroplast present in the leaves contain chlorophyll which absorb sunlight, helping to convert carbon dioxide and water into food. Oxygen is given out in this process. Besides leaves, photosynthesis takes place in some other parts like green stems too, as they contain chlorophyll. Transport system in plants. Take a pumpkin stem having 2-3 leaves. Cut it underwater with a sharp blade. Take some water in a conical flask and add 7-8 drops of inks to it. Put the pumpkin stem vertically in that flask. The transport system of plants consists of the xylem and the phloem. The xylem transports minerals and water from the root to all aerial part of the plant. The phloem transports the food from the leaves to other parts of the plant where it is either consumed or stored. Though the plants have a transport systems, they do not have a separate digestive or excretory system.